Feeling bloated, heavy, or just plain off? Let's dive into the wonderful world of aromatherapy and uncover its natural ability to soothe occasional digestive issues. You'll be amazed at how a carefully crafted blend of essential oils can work wonders for your belly troubles. Hi there, I'm Karen from Aromahead. With years of experience under my belt, I'll guide you through blending an all-natural, aromatic, digestive belly cream rub that has remarkable results. Why a cream rub? Mixing essential oils with unscented cream or another carrier such as jojoba helps to prevent skin irritation, ensuring a gentle yet effective application. Ready to jump in? First of all, I have a 1 ounce, 30 ml of unscented cream or lotion. We're going to add these powerful essential oils for a digestive-friendly combination. Our first oil will be adding 4 drops of cardamom. Cardamom smells amazing. I add 4 drops. There we go. Took just a minute there. And then 4 drops of our beautiful Roman Chamomile. Roman Chamomile smells a bit sweet, floral, a little bit apple-ish. There we go. They came out pretty quick. 5 drops of our sweet orange. That smells amazing as well. I love that citrus aroma. 5 drops. And last but not least, 1 drop of peppermint. It doesn't take much peppermint. 1 drop. There we go. Now we'll blend well with a glass stir rod, or you can use a metal spoon. You want to blend it up fairly well. Go, takes a lot of blending. There we go. Take a nice inhale. It smells absolutely beautiful. Then just take a little bit, rub it into your hands, and then you'll want to do it on your lower belly. Rub it clockwise on your lower belly and then on your lower back. And do that once an hour for 2 or 3 hours. Take deep breaths every time that you do it. Deep, calming breaths. And when I rub my hands together, after I put my blend on, I always inhale my hands. Like that. Sweet orange, cardamom, and peppermint are your new best friends for digestive relief. They tackle constipation, gas, nausea, and muscle spasms with ease, and cardamom adds that irresistible sweet, warm aroma. Ready to become an essential oil blending pro? Sign up for my free video course, How to Blend Essential Oils. Just use the link below. Let's start your aromatic journey together. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.